So these are some of the best games that you should try out on your Galaxy Watch. All of them are working on Galaxy Watch 4 and above. The first game that I have is really good for killing time and it doesn't drain a lot of battery. Name of this game is Tic Tac Toe. It's a simple and easy game where you have to just complete your boxes in a line before the opponent. You can also change the difficulty level by tapping here. Next game that I have is Tag. The concept here is pretty simple where you have to add blocks one after another as precisely as possible. The more number of blocks, the higher the score. So check it out. This is Tag, available for free on Google Play Store. Cactus Run is a perfect game for your Galaxy Watch if you are a fan of that Google Chrome Dino game. Instead of Dino, here we have a cactus that is running over dinosaurs. This is one fun addicting lightweight game for your Galaxy Watch. The farther you can go, the higher the score. So make sure you add this game to your collection as soon as possible. And by the way, if you are interested in these high quality watch straps, just check out the link down in description. Next game on the list is Jump Drive. Graphics with this game are just amazing. Here we have a spaceship that has to move through different hurdles. But overall, I'm amazed from the quality of this game as it's a free one on Google Play Store. Dice is one amazing app that is perfect for rolling dice on the go. It has some amazing shadows and when you tilt your wrist, the dice rolls on. Plus you can add more dice to the table by tapping once here, right in the center. So give it a try. 2048 is a game that I like a lot. Here you have to just add even numbers and the game goes on. The more you can add, the higher the score. This is also one lightweight game that is battery friendly. Last game that I have is Cosmo Run. This game also has some pretty decent graphics. Tap on play to start the game and here you have to just keep this ball on track by tapping once to move left or right. So give it a try and let me know which is your favorite game from this list. And with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.